Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to redeem American Airlines miles. Now the first thing that you should do is to go and open your browser and search for American Airlines, then choose the first link that you will get in front of you, and after that you will navigate to this page. Just click on this option on top right side, then click on use miles. After that you will be directed to this page. I will choose any one of them. I will go for this one here for example, and after that you will navigate to this page. Now click on redeem miles, and now you will have to enter all the details including the cities and dates from, to, depart, return, passengers, etc. Then click on search icon right here, and now after you click on this search, it will show you all the options that are available that you can actually use, and you just have to choose one of them. And once you choose one of them, it will show you all the details about the flight. But for start here, I do not have any available flights, but I will show you a photo for example. Now let's say that it showed me all these options. You just have to click one of them and it will show you all the details about the flight, and after that you should navigate down. So you should scroll down till you get here this button, login and continue. Then you'll have to enter your login information including the username or AAdvantage, last name, password, etc. Then click on login and it will show you some steps in order to redeem your miles. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye.